I'm done with bullshit. At this point, I'm merely amused. 22, checking in, it's like a yearly review. I ain't making no commitments unless I'm seeing it through. And that shit ain't always easy to do. Nah, it ain't easy to. Another year alive, pushing my dreams, finding balance while I'm looking at screens. I look out for the team, caretaker, never doubt the regime. I built a following off loyalty, without a machine. Make my coffee, throw a beat on. Go get what I'm owed, and that's just something we agreed on. They said it wouldn't be long, that's besides the point. I'm finally feeling like I belong. Just being me, that's the type of shit that we on. I'm sick of stressing about these numbers, man, they tire me out. Thinking I need a required amount to be happy. Stupid ass, it's like chasing a high I'll never reach. Kiss the happiness and wave it goodbye. While I'm scrolling on the internet comparing myself. It ain't right, but being aware of it helps. I gotta put my phone on D&D. Having conversations, it's just me and me. List of thoughts are piling like lines are at the DMV. Everything is handled, please, one at a time. Take a break, no, I'm here for the ride. Now let it slide. Slide, slide, let it slide. I've been putting out these hits, motherfucker, who you think that I am? It's Mr. Always Overcome when on the brink of a jam. I'll be damned if I don't ever have the power to thrive. I ain't waiting till my flowers arrive, I'll pat my own back. They said it's not the way, I took it head on, I ain't go back. Document the journey, check the catalog and Kodaks. Pictures worth 1,000 words, wrote at least 1,000 words. Multiply that shit by thousands, I've been losing count of words. If we talking about a verse, I could keep it round for round. I put it down, just found a hearse. Ain't a day I'm out of work. I could put a clinic on, that's just to show you how it works. Master on my craft, now take a seat and watch the crowd observe. Word. Now watch the crowd observe. Master on my craft, now take a seat and watch the. Top of the money, on top of the flows, on top of the charts, on top of the globe. Built a machine and it's top of the line. Started with nothing, I'm watching it grow. On top of my dollars, on top of the gold. You ain't on top of your shit and it shows. Top of the morning, get top in the morning. It's a long story, watch it unfold. Minding my business and finding a bag. I used to the shit I was dying to have. Used to put chips in a Frito-Lay truck to get paid. It was honestly kind of a drag. I got it poppin', told them I quit. I sold the Mazda and packed on my shit. I had a girl at the time, but we split. Moved to LA cause I needed a lift. I got a fear of getting complacent. Too many friends with a talent that wasted. Feels like it bothers me more than it bothers them. How is that possible, homie? I hate it. I know what I got, know what I need. Life keep on moving, slow down the speed. Buried my friend when he died, I was drinking a Coke. That's not how you properly grieve. I seen some shit that you wouldn't believe. I've gotten swindled and I've been deceived. I thought I had it all figured out then. Damn, I was young and naive. On top of the money, on top of the flows, on top of the charts, on top of the globe. Built a machine and it's top of the line. Started with nothing, I'm watching it grow. On top of my dollars, on top of the gold. You ain't on top of your shit and it shows. Top of the morning, get top in the morning. It's a long story, watch it unfold.